Good morning, children. Rachna Auntie is back and back to tell you about water cycle. You know why it is called as water cycle? Because it goes round and round like the wheel of a cycle. The wheel of a cycle is round, na? Same, the water cycle also goes round and round. But before telling you about water cycle, I will tell you first about evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Right? So you all know that sun heats the water of the rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans, and this water on heating converts into water vapors. So the process of water converting into water vapor is called as evaporation. Now this water vapor, it goes up in the sky to form clouds. The process of water vapor again becoming clouds, which are tiny droplets of water, is called as condensation. And when these two clouds become heavy and they float in the air, they bang into each other and they give us cheerful rain. This process is called as precipitation, right? So evaporation, condensation and precipitation. This goes round and round like the wheel of a cycle. And now get ready to understand what is water cycle. Children, we will understand water cycle through this. Okay? See why Auntie is calling it as cycle. Because can you see these arrows? These arrows are like the wheel of a cycle. They are round. So we have to understand how it happens, why it is round. See, I told you that sun heats the water and the water of the lakes, oceans and rivers evaporates and go up in the sky as water vapor, right? They go up in the sky as water vapor and the sky up is cold. When this water goes up, evaporates up in sky, it evaporates as steam. But since the sky is cold, it turns again into water droplets. I showed you in the experiment also. And these water droplets, they form big clouds, okay? And these big clouds in the sky, they float in the air. But due to a lot of water vapor going up in the sky, evaporating up in the sky, makes these clouds very heavy. And when these clouds become heavy, they can't float in the air. So they bang into each other and they give us rain. And this rain again comes down in the form of water on the ground. Now this rain that comes in the form of water joins the sea, lakes and rivers. Okay, it goes and joins them as water. But this rain also goes in the ground also. So you see rain on the streets, on the footpaths, on your lawn, in the park. So all the water that is there in the ground also is absorbed, is collected in the ground, and gradually that water goes and joins the sea, rivers and lakes. So see, it is a cycle. It's a round cycle. Water evaporates as the steam goes up in the sky, form. Due to condensation, they make big clouds, and these clouds bang into each other and they give us rain as precipitation. This is called as precipitation. It comes as water, and this water again joins sea, lakes and rivers, and again the water in the ground goes and joins sea, rivers, lakes and oceans. Again it is evaporated, again clouds are formed, again clouds bang, and again rain comes down. So it happens round and round. That is why it is called as water cycle. Okay, in Hindi we call it as Jal Chakra. Okay, remember it and understand it well.